Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own pattern paper at home. Now pattern paper have multiple uses while scrapbooking. You can use it as an image backdrop or just to fill a blank space or add a little texture to the page. So yeah, I'll also show you some of the pattern papers that I have made. They are attractive and very easy to make. So let's get started. So the first design that I'm going to show you guys is using watercolors. Now this is the design. It is very easy to make. I've got these two small bottles. You can also use a bottle cap or anything round that you can find. All you have to do is just dip it in some watercolor and then dab it all over the page. Don't worry the circle not coming out complete because you have to use just a part of this in your scrapbook, so you can remove the places that are not filled. So yeah, it's very easy. Just alternate the colors and it will look beautiful. I have used red and blue color. You can use multiple colors or any combination of your choice. Second pattern, I've got this beautiful heart pattern. It is also very easy to make. All you have to do is make a heart using a black pen and then fill in using a sketch pen. I would suggest using a sketch pen and not a color because sketch pens have a pointed tip. It is very easy to fill, and also sketch pen are brighter than colors, so the page will look more attractive and eye-catching. So this was pattern number 2. Third, I've got this beautiful paw print. If you are making a scrapbook and want to include your pets in it like cats and dogs, you can use this paw print. It will look beautiful and also match the theme of your paper. Now fourth design, I've got this abstract page. Now this may look a little difficult, but it's not. All you have to do is just doodle all around the page. You can see I've written the word love here many times in different ways. Now if you want to do it a fun way, you can write fun, joy. I have made black and white. You can make it colorful using some colorful sketch pens or colorful pens, and it will look beautiful. And for the drawing part, you don't have to be like over complicated. Just make anything that you can. I made this bird patterns, some flowers, some clouds, some rainbows. So you can do anything that you like and just fill in the page with it. Fill in the page with anything that comes into your mind. For the fifth pattern, I've got this beautiful striped pattern. Now this one has nothing to do. You just have to cut out paper and paste it. Now I would suggest starting from this side and then overlapping it with the page of another color, because this way you don't have to worry about the boundaries matching. And instead of going for a straight line, I went for a little tilted line so that it looks little different and a little more creative. Now the final pattern that I want to show you guys is a little tricky, but if you do it with a little dedication, you will achieve it. This is the pattern. Now just tear off the color pages and just stick it on a white page. That is all that I have done here. Now I went for a lighter color shade to a dark color shade. Now one mistake that I did was that I started from the bottom. This is the bottom of the page and this is the top. I would give you a tip to start from the top, because if you are starting from this side, you can paste the other color paper over it. When I started from bottom, I had to like lift it and then insert a different color paper inside it in order to get this pattern. So that is a tip that I have for you guys, is that start pasting the papers from the top. And yeah, this was the final pattern. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe to my channel for more such content. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, happy scrapbooking.